Is your website reloading every time a product is added to the cart, making the process incredibly sluggish and increasing the cart abandonment rate? That's when the Ajax Add to Cart extension comes to the rescue. Ajax is a powerful technique that improves website interactivity and responsiveness by allowing customers to add items to their shopping cart without refreshing the page, creating a seamless and user-friendly shopping experience. Besides improving user experiences, using an Ajax Add to Cart button can reduce cart abandonment, providing a hassle-free shopping experience for customers, reduce page load time, potentially leading to higher search engine rankings, and increase conversion rates and sales. It's time to turn on higher sales and conversion with Ajax Add to Cart, a powerful but completely free feature in Foxify's app extensions library. Welcome to Foxify Tutorials by FoxEcom. In today's video, we will give you a step-by-step guide on how to activate the Ajax Add to Cart button on your Foxify templates. You can use the timestamps to navigate through the video.
A theme can be considered the backbone of your store, defining its overall look, feel, and functions. We proudly present to you Zest, a solid base for your online store that is more flexible than flexibility, optimized for conversion and packed with built-in features, and especially dealt with the success of mobile commerce in mind. Your store is generated by clean code, tested and approved by Shopify. Ready to grow your business using the most beloved theme. And get support from our dedicated team. Join the mobile revolution with Zest.
Now, let's get back to installing the Ajax Add to Cart feature in Foxify Page Builder. This extension is usually used on product pages, where visitors can add items to their carts or go directly to the checkout page. However, it can also work perfectly on other page types created in Foxify, like collection pages, home page, and landing pages. Let's take this product page as an example. In your product page, navigate to the App Extensions section on the left sidebar of the editor. Find and select the extension named Fox Ajax Add to Cart. Hit the button Install Extension. Once the extension is installed, in the Settings tab, select the option Enable Ajax Add to Cart and hit Update. Don't forget to hit Publish to apply the new change on your live page. That's all you need to do. Your visitors can now add the item they like to the cart instantly, with the cart count being updated without reloading the page. You now know how to install and use Ajax Add to Cart extension on your pages. Bear in mind that besides full support in building the page you desire, Foxify also provides other app extensions to help you install third-party app features and get things run perfectly in just a few clicks. To learn more about this, check out our help article linked in the description below. If you like our video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you won't miss any other future tutorials. Thank you for watching.